Welcome back, guys. So, a couple of days ago, a friend of mine who makes music told me about the video shoot for his new single Ileke and how he wanted me to tag along to the location. On getting there, I noticed it's one of the most popular antique buildings used regularly in Lagos video shoots. The building is as old as the pre colonial days as it resides in one of the early railway communities built by the foreigners in the 20th century. The building has occupants who seem to cohabitate around this permanent video set location. It's like Hollywood in Lagos. So I thought I should share with my subscribers the process involved in a proper antique Lagos video shoot. You know what they say, don't take a YouTuber anywhere, they will find an excuse to video content in everything. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the fun activities of the day. On getting to the location, there was another video shooting session already for a young artist called Coded Boy Eyes. So we had to chill and wait our turn.
Coded boy. I got you.
There was a lot of waiting involved, so we made ourselves quite comfortable while the artist tried on different fits for a shoot.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? I go by name of the Swank, and we live my video shoot Ileke behind the scenes. Keep watching the crush up. You know how it goes. Everything bad. You get Swank Ileke, dear my Joe. You get. Watch out, the crush up. You know how it
So after a lot of waiting, we finally got a call from the director that it was our turn.
We have the BTS for Swank, Ileke, and also for Oja, Zinga featuring Popo and Coded Boy Eyes. So it's an epic one. We've been here since 8 a.m. Trying to achieve, our aims. We're setting up all our prop designs. We just get to set today and how we started shooting because to achieve two sets in a day is not easy. So everything have to be ready. So that's what we are trying to possibly best, to make sure we are doing everything. But thank God so good. It's moving smoothly. Yeah, we're getting closer to the next scene now. I think it's about 2 o'clock now or more. Yeah, it's about 2, yes. To 2 now. So we're moving to the second scene of the day for Swank Ileke. So we're done. We're 70% done with Oja. So we're moving to Ileke right now. So guys, stay back, relax.
Yeah, keep watching the crush up. Just keep watching the crush up. Yeah.
Keep watching what?
The crush up. That's
okay. Keep watching the cross up.
So she's fixing up her makeup, yeah?
Yes, I am.
So
This is about whiskey that's from
yeah, the song is about Ileke. So this is. So yeah, talk about yourself. I just introduce yourself first.
Hi, my name is TONTO. I'm a video vixen and a model. But I don't know. And the video shoot is going to be blast, obviously. Watch out. We're about to create magic.
Yeah. Swank, yeah. Big cloud, that's where you wine, amazing cool ways like feeling good. Yeah,
That was the end of the first scene. It was a fun scene to watch as the African print attires on the artist and model complements the antique structure of the building. Now we reorganize ourselves and move to the next scene.
I'm right here for my brothers. Watch out for it. It's gonna be mad.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Swank, baby. Still on the Ileke shoot. We're done with the first scene with the big scene. We're on the other scene right now. We're gonna have some badass dancers do their thing, have some sexy ladies shake that Ileke.
Baby, now you I go Mario.
Yeah, I really enjoyed this part a lot. For someone like me who loves video production, it was really nice to see equipments like this used up close and personal.
Mario. Could it be her hips? Could it be her lips? It could be her face. Cover figure 8. You know I love it when you break it down to the base. I love it when you whine and I touch that waist. Could it be her dresses? Let's go! Let's go! Hey!
And that was the end of that scene. It was a quick take so we could move on to the next scene and round up before it gets dark. I was kind of getting tired here, but seeing these guys who have been at it since 8 a.m. was enough motivation for me to continue.
Can't you see that you blessed? Body shape is finest.
So time for another wardrobe change before we move on to the next scene.
I might be stalking, but I'm addicted. You something like my highness. You my royal highness. Emotions could be timeless. All of my feelings are feelings that you can never ever get from those guys. All niggas do is just tell lies. Blackmail, disguise.
This is probably my favorite set design in the video, as you can see how colorful and beautiful it is. Plus you can see the green rug on the floor, so you expect some kind of VFX edit, green screen design later in the post edit. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Let's go. My style. Stand
Yeah, that was a really fun scene with a lot of colorful spending and dancing. I really enjoyed it. So if you watched this place, thank you very much. I really fuck with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're heading to the final scene now, which is the night car scene. So let's go.
What up, my people? You know the vibes. We're still at the shoot, and this is the last scene for the night. And everybody's kind of exhausted, but the vibe and the energy is still 100. Ileke, yeah, Joe. Keep watching Let Crush. Wish to the Swank. Ileke, you know the vibes behind the scenes.
Another thing I would also like to mention is that I like how every area of the compound can literally be turned into a video set. Like it's so easy to modify into a video set. Say something about the shoots. Did you enjoy?
Hi guys, it has been an exciting shoot. I've been having a fabulous time, but this is the evening session of the shoot, and trust me, we're still creating magic, still on it, and we can't wait to bust your head. Keep watching.
Let's go! Music. Oh yeah, let's go. Smoke behind, smoke. Good. Oh yeah, blow up.
So earlier in the day, I saw the director's team building a wooden set design, and I was really looking forward to how they would use it. And after the car scene, I got to see it, and it was beautiful. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I had fun shooting it. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Also follow us on all our social media platforms. Instagram, follow LCH. Twitter, follow LCH. The same username, so it's easy for you to locate. Also, don't forget to check out with Swank. He has an amazing discography with Mario, Friendzone, Ileke, just to name a few. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. Also, drop your comments on what you think about the vlog and all. And I'll be back at you with more videos.